Hey everyone, welcome to this build video. Alright, so today things are going to be a little bit different. This is actually a build video of my brother's keyboard. This is the Disarray Keyboard Kit by Sneakbox that he purchased a while ago. And let's go ahead and open up and see what's inside. Alright, so first up we have a rotary encoder. Rotary encoders are really useful for like changing volume and playing and pausing music. And I'm not entirely sure, but I think you can also change the function of this rotary encoder because the keyboard is GMK and VIA compatible. So then you can make it do other functions like horizontal scrolling and things like that. And of course, to go along with the rotary encoder is a shiny brass dial. To go along with the brass, we have a brass plate. Brass plates are nice and heavy and provide very little flex. Also, it's important to note that the Disarray is a top-mounted keyboard, and we can see this by the mounting holes on the sides of the plate. Here's the PCB with a nice, beautiful design. There's so many small details all around this PCB that they didn't have to add, but they did anyways. It all just adds a nice little touch to it and that premium feeling. Let's turn it around and look at the front. On the front we can see all of the electronics collected at the top, and these will all be put on display through a polycarbonate window in the final build. Let's take a look at the case itself. The design of this case is definitely unique, especially with the large handlebar at the top, which you can use to like store desk items or to just carry it around. And we can also see that it comes with some foam pre-installed. As for the keycaps, he picked up a GMK Blue Samurai set with basically all of the extras. This is actually my first time seeing a GMK set in real life, and I think that everything about it is really cool. The keycaps have a nice texture, and actually I didn't know this, but they're actually all double shot, and even the custom art keycaps are double shot. I'm sure a lot of you probably knew that, but again, I haven't seen a GMK set before, so... Okay, and the final thing is the switches. He went with some Gateron ink yellows. The ink yellows are a linear switch with a shorter than usual bottoming out distance, and also because they're from the ink series, these switches are really smooth. Compared to the popular ink blacks, these require slightly less force to bottom out, and again, they have a shorter travel distance. Okay, now that we've gone over all the parts, we can finally get to building. Again, because this is my brother's build, I didn't actually do any of the building. He built the whole thing and I just filmed it. And with that being said, I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, thanks for watching. I had a great time filming this video, and I have to say the keyboard turned out great. Before the video ends, I have a couple of updates that I wanted to share with you guys. So first off, I'm planning on doing a keyboard build stream, probably on Tuesday at around 2:30 p.m. PST. I was debating whether or not to do streams on YouTube or Twitch, and for this one I'm going to be streaming on Twitch. So go follow my Twitch page and give it a follow so you get notified when I go live. And also go ahead and follow me on Twitter just in case that anything changes and I have to reschedule. For that stream, I'm planning on building a second Akira build, and you guys can come in and ask me questions about the build. I have a couple of projects lined up where I'm actually doing some sponsored reviews. I'm not sure if I'm allowed to disclose who I'm doing reviews with, but I will tell you I am in contact with 3 companies, so expect 3 review videos soon. I've never done a review video before, so it'll be interesting to see how it goes. If you have any suggestions for how I should do these review videos, make sure to leave it in the comments. I only have this opportunity because of you guys for subscribing and watching my videos, so I just want to say a big thank you. I hope these videos go well, and I hope I can do more in the future. Okay, and last thing is Animec. So you guys obviously know me from my Animec series, and I have been working on these Animec projects. I've been in contact with my first 2 commissions, and right now I'm waiting for parts for one, which is fully designed, and for the other one I'm waiting on finalizing the design. I do consider Animec to be my main series, so don't worry, it isn't going anywhere. I'm trying to do it as fast as I can, but again, I have to do things like waiting for parts, I have to make the designs. It does take a lot of time to make those videos, but if you stick around and wait for it, I'm sure it'll be worth it. Alright, other than that, that's pretty much it for the video. Shout out to my Patreon supporters, you guys are awesome, and that's about it for me. I'll see you guys in the next video.